Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Mishra from My Clothing Treasure, and today I have a beautiful Khandwa cotton sari from my state Orissa. It is a color of navy and orange with this pattern, Damru pattern woven in ikat all over the body. I will focus on one. Yeah, that's the pattern. And this pattern is woven all over the body. Okay. And right now the color you are seeing, this is the exact shade of the sari, and that is the exact orange and exact navy the sari is actually. Okay, when I'm moving the camera, the color is kind of changing a bit due to natural light and my camera settings, maybe, I don't know, but right now what you see on camera, that is the exact shade. So moving on, I will show you the border. Yeah, you see, there is a ikat pattern here which is sandwiched between two rows of weavings, and there is a temple pattern here as well. This type of border that you see, the ikat pattern and sandwiched between two rows and three rows of weavings, this is a typical Khandwa pattern. Even in pure silk or in cotton or silk cotton, mostly, if not all, but yeah, mostly in Khandwa saris, you will find this kind of a border. So, moving on to the pallu, I will zoom in for you to see. It has both orange and navy as warp and weft, which kind of gives rise to this color. And it's not really orange. I will show you. It's not really orange. It appears kind of a brownish shade, but with a huge dominance of orange. Right now what you see, this is the border color. Okay, it's kind of orangish but not bright orange. You can see the border is the actual orange color, and this is a duller version of that orange mixed with a lot of brown. It's kind of a brownish orange, which is because of the two color of threads woven together. And now you see this achal. It's the most basic form of Sambalpuri achal that you are seeing here. It's stripes of white and in between some ikat pattern. So this has been again inspired from our cultural thing. We call it jhoti. Every Thursday. Thursday is a very important day in Orissa culture, and that is the day of goddess Lakshmi. And every Thursday, the women of the house mix rice and water and make a paste, and it's a very liquidy paste. So they use it to make these kind of patterns on the doorstep. They draw two lines, and in between they draw some floral patterns, and they also draw the feet of Lakshmi ji, and that is to invite Lakshmi ji to our house. So this type of pallu that you see, it's mostly inspired from the jhoti pattern from our culture. And this Damru pattern also is inspired from Shivji. He has a Damru, and as always in Odisha Ikat, you will see that the patterns have some other relationship with our culture. So this Damru is inspired from Shivji, and I hope you like this sari. This sari doesn't have a blouse piece. I will come back with more saris. Till then, bye.